Hey everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. Today I have come with a requested video about how to make mayonnaise at home. I will walk you through the steps showing you both my failure and success in making it. So let's get started. Okay, so very enthusiastically I took out my blender jar, added milk, and slowly started adding the oil a little at a time. Then I added vinegar, which is a must for the thickening to happen. Then mustard sauce and salt. Switching on the blender, I kept on looking at it with this expectation that something will happen soon. But magic was not happening, and then my blender started smoking, and with the fear of losing my oldie-goldie blender just for the sake of making mayonnaise, I stopped pushing it any further. Then I took out my stick blender. This time I added the milk, the vinegar and salt all together in the tall container that came with my stick blender. Always add the oil a tablespoon at a time in the beginning or in a thin stream for that emulsification to happen gradually. And in less than a minute, the magic happened. I forgot to add the mustard sauce earlier, so I added it later. Look at the creamy thick texture of this one, as opposed to this one that was made in the blender. And since my strong desire to describe everything is nudging me to say something, all that I can say is this looks pretty disgusting and pathetic. You can store the mayonnaise in an airtight jar in the refrigerator and it stays good for 7 to 10 days. I must say that this eggless mayonnaise tastes just the same as the mayonnaise using eggs. So why use raw eggs? Try this recipe and you will forget those store-bought ones. Take care, my friends. Bye-bye.